2015 was a year of tremendous growth, the continuation of tremendous growth for the Palestine Children's Relief Fund. Following the war in Gaza, the attacks in Gaza in the summer of 2014, our organization made a strategic decision to respond to the best of our ability on the ground in Gaza by continuing to provide humanitarian aid and support for the people here, including mental health projects, orphan sponsorship projects, tutoring for children and for kids whose homes were destroyed and needed further support. In addition to the continuing projects which we've always supported, summer camps, the monthly child sponsorship, and then the continuation of our projects which are medical missions and sending cases abroad for medical treatment.
أصحابي دبكنا وسبحنا ولعبنا كتير وانبسطنا.
The war in Gaza wasn't the only thing the Palestine Children's Relief Fund was responsible to responding to in 2015. The war in Syria, which is creating a huge humanitarian crisis throughout the region. Our organization is providing medical care and humanitarian aid for Syrian refugees. Continuation of the support for kids with cancer in the West Bank through the Huda al-Masri Pediatric Oncology Department in Beit Jala, which we opened in April of 2013. But the building of a new pediatric oncology department in the Gaza Strip, which will be the first and only center where hundreds of children who are suffering and fighting cancer can get treatment without having to go abroad.
In 2015 was another great year for PCRF, in which we continue to see tremendous growth in our work and our impact on the ground in the Middle East to help children. We've grown in the area of our medical missions. We've been able to do more than before. The number of children that we've been treating abroad, the number of cases that we're providing direct humanitarian support for on an ongoing basis, and also the number of cases that we're giving one-time support and humanitarian projects in general. For the fourth year in a row, we received a 4-star rating from Charity Navigator. And what makes us proud of this is we can tell people that your money is making a difference. And the evidence we see is how the trust we get from people from all over the world. Our work is only made possible by mostly it's volunteers, and these volunteers can be doctors, nurses that come and provide their direct services to patients. We have host families hosting our children all over the world, and really that any person can be a volunteer to support our work by supporting us through their local communities and making people aware of our work and helping us raise funds. We're proud to say that in 2015, our global presence or impact, where we ended 2014 with about 21 chapters. Now we're about 38 chapters all over the world.
Our organization is on the forefront of identifying areas and gaps within the Palestinian healthcare system and trying to fix those by bringing teams here, by bringing volunteers here, by building up infrastructure and putting resources into the development of a long-term solution to the Palestinian humanitarian needs in the healthcare sector. So we're very fortunate to have this ability and this chance to do this work and to have so many thousands of volunteers all over the world making our work possible.
Thank you for everything. We want to tell our people all over the world, and hopefully we'll continue to be a source of your trust, knowing that we can help and reach out to every child in the Middle East that needs our care, regardless of their race, religion, or ethnic background.